G'day guys, Chris here from Purewax Car Care Products, and again today I'm going to talk to you about an amazing combo of our waterless wash and detailer and also our leather cleaner and conditioner. A lot of people use our waterless wash detailer on the outside of the car to get an amazing clean and shine, but a lot of people didn't know you can actually utilize it for the interior too. So I'll show you a two-stage process. First one I'm going to show you is the waterless wash detailer and how you actually clean the leather. Again, incredibly safe because it's pH neutral. You can use the product on virtually any surface. The only surface we suggest you don't use it on is any suede within the car. Leather cleaning, really simple. I actually spray it directly onto the leather, front and back. And then simply using a microfiber cloth, we just give it a wipe down. It's actually going to remove any dirt, any grease, any grime, sunscreen, everything that you don't want to have on your leather. Again, really simple to use, smells great, and again, totally safe on your fabrics and leathers. Give it a quick buff off with the reverse side of the cloth. You've got one very clean leather seat. And all we're then going to do is actually use the leather cleaner and conditioner using an applicator pad. Just going to put a little bit of product onto the pad. I actually move it around on here because it's totally safe. Move it around to soak in, and then simply just give the leather some circular motion, moving the product around, getting into the cracks, into the texture of the leather. Again, a little goes a long way, so that bottle's going to last you a while. To the rear seat. Some of the product soaking through the pad. Again, nice even coat. This product's actually got some mink oil from the tanneries that they produce, where they produce leather around the world, and that's going to increase the suppleness of the leather whilst also protecting it as well. Now I'll let that sit on there for a little while, let it soak in. It's like a moisturizer for your leather, and then I'll grab a clean microfiber. When I'm ready, I'll just give it a buff. Now it gives it a really natural shine, nothing too crazy such as you'd expect from some of the silicone based products. Just gives it a really natural look and feel. And that's how you protect your leather and clean your leather with Purewax waterless wash detailer and leather cleaner and conditioner. Thanks for watching.